Hi there, in this video we're taking a look at the i.MX 8 ULP evaluation kit. With this kit you will be able to develop your own applications and fully use the features of the i.MX 8 ULP applications processor. The i.MX 8 ULP is an energy efficient ultra low power applications processor with a range of dedicated processing units along with peripherals. It's built with a micro power architecture, with domain separations that are suitable for a variety of low power use cases in the consumer IoT and industrial markets where battery powered modes are crucial. The product comes with support for both Linux and Android operating systems. It has integrated security through the edgelock Secure Enclave and support for machine learning through the EIQ toolkit. Now, let's take a look at the kit. The kit consists of the EVK and the system on module board that is mounted in the middle. Here is a quick overview of the different parts for the system on module in the center. Now, the EVKs are flashed with a Linux image. To get the board running, connect the USB-C cable and the USB micro B serial debug cable to your computer and the power adapter to an outlet. Turn on the power switch and the board will boot automatically. You're now able to connect to it via a terminal emulator like PuTTY or Teraterm. The serial communication parameters should use a baud rate of 115,200 with 8 data bits, no parity and 1 stop bit. When this process is complete, you should have everything you need to get this EVK running and begin to develop your applications. To get more information on the i.MX 8 ULP applications processes, visit our product page on nxp.com/i.MX8ULP and download the datasheet, documentation, and much more. For a look at the NXP supported demos, please look at the demo experience page with this EVK.